Today we're going to explore how Maintainly helps you implement preventative maintenance, a proactive strategy that helps you keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently. Let's walk through the simple two-step process of setting up preventative maintenance in Maintainly. First, we'll create a task template to define the work, and then we'll set up an automation to trigger that work on a recurring basis. Navigate to Tasks in the left side menu and then select Task Templates. Click New Template. Give your template a descriptive title like Monthly Generator Inspection or Quarterly HVAC Replacement Filter. In the estimated time field, enter how long this task typically takes. This helps with planning and provides valuable data for reporting estimated versus actual. Next, write a clear procedure. This can be as little or as much information to guide technicians on the work to be performed. You can use headings, bullet points, and formatting to make it easier to read, or you might simply want to instruct technicians to complete the checklist. When you're finished, simply click Save. Under the Checklist tab, we can add a number of individual things that need to be done when performing this PM. On the Materials tab, create a part kit for this preventative maintenance. This has several benefits, including ensuring that technicians know exactly what they'll need before starting the work, and it gives them a one-click option to add the entire part kit to the task, rather than having to filter for and add each material one at a time. Under the Files tab, upload any supporting documentation that's required or might be helpful to have access to when performing the task. This could include detailed, editable PDFs with set procedures, manuals or instruction diagrams. These files will be directly accessible within the task when it's generated. Next, let's create an automation that tells Maintainly when and how often a preventative maintenance task should be generated. Let's head over to Assets and select the specific asset you want to assign preventative maintenance to. Now go to the Automations tab and click New Automation. It's important to note that the exact flow of adding each automation will vary depending on a number of factors, including whether it's a time or metric-based automation. First, choose the trigger type for your automation. Here, you'll choose from those two options that I mentioned: time-based triggers, which are scheduled tasks at fixed intervals like every 30 days, every 6 months or once a year, or metric-based triggers, which use readings from your equipment such as operating hours, mileage or cycles. Since I haven't yet added a metric to this asset, I'm going to add a time-based automation. First, I'll select which of my task templates should be used each and every time the automation triggers this task. Then I'll nominate when the first one will be due. And if the task is going to reoccur regularly, check the box and nominate the appropriate interval. When you're done, click Confirm. From this point forward, Maintainly will automatically create this task every month for this specific asset. If your maintenance schedule needs to change in the future, there's no need to alter the original task template or automation. You simply go back into the asset, open the existing automation and archive it. Then you can add a new automation with the updated interval using the same task template. And that's how we add task templates and automations in Maintainly. See you next time.